To install the printer driver, you can go to Canon website. The link is provided in the video description. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Canon website. Now go to support option, select support, and then go to find software and drivers, and then scroll down, go to printers, and this is the PIXMA series, so click on PIXMA. MG series, so select MG series, and over here find PIXMA MG2520, so click on it, and then you can scroll down, select, make sure Windows is selected over here. This is for PC, Windows PC. Now if you have Windows 11, it should detect Windows 11 automatically. If you have Windows 10, you have to select Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, so it should detect automatically. If not detected, you can select your operating system from here, and then for download type you can select drivers, and here you can see MG2500 says full driver and software package. You can click on download, and once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. And then you can select the language which you want, then click on next. And from here you have to just follow the on-screen instruction to install the driver, and then you can set up and connect your controller. So if you want to select all, and then click on next over here. Yes, next, and let the download complete. Now once installed, now you can connect your printer. Make sure that your printer is on, and then follow the on-screen instruction to just connect your printer. So this is how you can download, install the driver for the printer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.